Hi, I have in front of me here a 30 amp connector strip. Basically, most people will be familiar with the basic format here. We have a block of 12 connectors, and what we're using to do is to join a cable on two cables together. So there's a modular format here, so we can break this into whatever length blocks we want to use. Generally, we'll say with a strip like this, you'll be using maybe 3 or 5 cables being joined together and use that as the basic format on it. It's part of a wider range of connector strips we have, ranging from 3 amp all the way up to about 60 amp. If we turn over the base on this particular one here, we'll see that it's rated 400 volts, 30 amp. Okay. In terms of the materials used in the construction, it's a plastic housing. We have a brass centre here, and the screws on top are galvanised, and it's found on the electrical section on freetv.ie.